Okay guys, back with me Irzi on Muhammad Irzi guys Riyadis channel. In this video, as usual, I will give you a tutorial as usual, which is to make a checkout display. The first thing we make is the iPhone 11 Pro X frame. The design from the left, you need to know it's my own design, not the result of Google or other people. We draw a line from top to bottom to create a display menu at the top using three icon, network icon, Wi-Fi icon, and also battery icon as well. Well, then you just have to adjust. After that, we make the clock option. We add 3 hours how much time is up. Here I ask the time 8 past to 26. Okay, if you have, we will match the icon on the right and open the plugin whose name is Iconify. Okay, we are looking for Iconify. Okay, we are looking for icons. Now this is a plugin for those of you who are hard to find icons. You can ask this plugin, and the format of the icon is SVG, so you can change the color, you can change the size of the design. Then we enlarge it and we make it the same, the design on left. Well, then we add the text, which is my shopping cart or my cart. We adjust the font and size, can download and install the font that I use, just research on Google a lot. Then we fit in the middle when we drag up to adjust or align with the back icon earlier. Then we make a rectangle. Yeah, we adjust middle when we have. Nice. Then we make a rectangle down. Yes. uh, we drop in the middle and then we adjust and give the rectangle a radius, but first we reduce the frame color to a little black. Yeah, so that later the rectangle can be changed to white and not to colored the same as the frame behind. Then we give a drop shadow effect for the X or Y. You can follow me. Well, if we have changed the color to white and we give the radius. Okay, if it's like this, we take photos of the food. It's up to us to be free to eat whatever we want. We add the radius and save it on left side of the rectangle. Yeah, like that. Then you just add text. Remember, the text must be the same as the photo. For example, I used a photo of rice cone, so the title of the text must also be rice cone, not fried rice. After that, we adjust the size and also color or font if we think it fits and it is also appropriate. We enter it into a rectangle and save it at the top. Okay, this is it. Then we will copy the text from the top to the bottom. Well, yeah. Well, if we have reduced the size, or maybe we change it first to Mbah Mina Restaurant or Mbah rumah makan Mbah Minar in Indonesian language, which is the place for the food. Then we resize and change the color too. Yes, a little bit gray and also faint. Yes, if it is like that, we will make a share for how much food we will buy. Yeah, wait a moment. We are just the text. Okay. Okay, we will make a share for how much food we will buy by using rectangle. Yes, we make oh yes, we make the checklist part first, which is easier for us to keep in the middle, and we delete the fill. Sorry. Then we give the radius first, and we delete the fill. We add strokes or border outline. We add thickness, and we copy for colors. You are free to use colors like you used before in the previous design because the be consistent in the color. After that we copy the rectangle, we zoom out guys. Yes, if we have reduced the radius and thickness. Okay, okay, we will reduce it like this, then we copy again and we add a fill. We remove the recep, just like that. Then we use the line to create a plus and minus icon. Okay, we are use the line to create a plus and minus icon. You can see, you can see me, you can follow me. Okay, yeah, like that. Yes, here we use the line to create the plus and minus icon, and then we drag it down. After that we copy it, we rotate. Yes, it's like this, and don't forget we just have to adjust it guys. Yes, if it fits we might put it in the middle. Oh, for a second it's still not right, it's turned out. Okay, let's put it in the middle. Maybe we are missing something. Yes, maybe this is enough. We zoomed in a bit for the rectangle. If we have copied the minus and we change the color to orange and we fit in the middle. Yeah, we'll copy the minus and we change the color to orange and fit in the middle. Yes, like that. Then we equalize the size of the rectangle like the one on the left slightly and large just a little. So if we put it in the middle and we add text for how much food we will buy. Yeah, here are 5 example. Yes. Okay, if you have put the number 5 like this, we make a checklist section. In the checklist column we add a little rotation anyway. Make a checklist icon, just adjust it. You can follow us in the video. Okay, after that we maybe a little bit zoom in for the icon. Yeah, but we are rotation, we will add a little rotation anyway. Here like checklist icon, just adjust it. Okay, a little bit zoom in the icon. Here is enough, and then we copy the menu above to be lowered down, and we just change the font, we just change the photos, the title of the food. the place for the food and also the capacity of the food. We are just changing. Okay, if it is, we will make a total payment option, additional rectangle at the bottom. Then we change the color to white. After that, uh, we give the radius and add as above. Don't forget to give two lines, adjust them in the middle, and add thickness. Yes. Then we change the color a bit to grays. Yeah. Okay, like that. Okay, we are gonna, don't forget to give two line, adjust them in the middle and add thickness. Then we change the color a bit to grays. Okay, after that we use the end with round. We change and we just copy, and then we adjust in the middle of the rectangle. Yeah, like that. Okay, if we have added two text above, it is a subtotal. The second is delivery or postage, and the third is the total. Yeah, we're gonna add text. Okay, we copy it into delivery. Copy it in delivery, and we copy again for the third. And we copy again for the third. We change the text to total. It must be distinguished. Yes, the total is increased by adding the size and changing the color. Yes, after that we add text on the right for the description of the dollar we spend. How many dollars? Yes, for an example here I am as all zero. Okay, we copy down, then we copy again, and keep in mind that the bottom on one must be the most different. Okay, maybe from the thickness and also the color. Yes, like that. Okay, if we have, we will make the button confirm the order. We will make it using a rectangle, and don't forget that the right and left side must match the ones above. Okay, if we have added text in the middle like this, yeah, yes, if we have adjusted maybe enlarge the size and also thicken it, yeah, you can follow me. Then we place it in the middle of the rectangle. Well, after like this, we are as usual will create the big bar or menu section of the app. I used the rectangle and added the stroke. We increase the thickness. Yes, then we change the color, not the fill color, but the stroke color, and we give the radius at the end of top left and also the top right. Yeah, like this. You can follow me. Yes, if we have adjusted it, it might be lowered a little if we have copied it or added the icon. If it has been copied, we fit the icon in the middle of this rectangle menu. Yes, if we have just changed the color on the shopping cart icon, color to orange, yeah, like that. Okay, maybe this is enough. Yep, it's work. Okay, maybe that's enough video tutorial from me. If you have any suggestion, please put them in the comment column and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you soon.